Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can integrate Pinterest into Etsy. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So to start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to integrate Pinterest into Etsy. And then after that, you'll see these following options. But what we're going to do is to choose this first option. After that, it will then direct you here. So, to integrate Pinterest into your Etsy, what you're going to do is to go to your shop and then click Edit Shop. After that, scroll down and add a link to your Pinterest store. And that's it! Thank you for watching! If you have a question regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe.